It's a nice shot.
We're outside, everybody. Outside, 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 because it is summer. And we're in good company this morning. We haven't seen him in such a long time. Here to share some thoughts. Why do some entertainers need an entourage, people? Joining us this morning to share his perspective, someone who's been in the game for a very long time, a hot minute. He brought us hits like Holy Tonight, Traffic.
Behave, please. We're on national TV. Behave.
We don't usually behave, so we want me to behave this morning.
We're outside.
Degree is with us. General Degree is with us this morning. What going on, my friend?
What go on?
Regin.
How are things?
Yeah, mostly give thanks. Giving thanks, everything is good.
Yeah.
Give thanks.
Are you mostly here?
Yeah.
Or mostly into
I'm
foreign?
in Jamaica, I'm in and out, but very low key from Marlin.
Well, long time.
Yeah, so it's why I appear to people like that I'm not here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, low-key and artist, we don't usually put in the same sentence. Does that mean as a low-key artist, you don't have an entourage?
No. And this is from the, what you call it, the get-go, when I just came in the business, same thing, just me alone, just like alone. I guess that's caused from when I went drop out of school and then me have to be on my own a little bit. I think that mold me that kind of way. So I know how to be alone and roll one away.
But wouldn't it be sensible to have a few people around you? Not 40,000, but you are a star. Wouldn't it be sensible to have a couple of people around you to ensure that people don't run in when they're not supposed to run in and stuff?
We know when to have that.
Explain that.
I mean, you're going on certain movements, certain shows, certain places. You have the couple of people, and 4 or 5, in amount if you want. But there's certain movement that is personal.
Yeah.
And those are the moments when you move in silence. And it's best.
Change your car and all these things.
Yeah, my low key, everything just, you keep your everything at a low, so people can easily know. Okay, let's say I'm out, blah blah blah.
Yeah. Why do you think it's so important to artists in the industry? Well, not everybody, because some are a lot like you in their thinking. But usually, like, especially when them just boss and, is it a hype thing? Is it necessity? What is it?
What is excitement? I think most of it is when we know everybody in the community. We have a group of school friends, we have a group of friends, and then everybody, you don't want to leave out everybody because everybody your friend.
Yeah.
And then when you bust now, can you imagine you bust now, you just decide to say, all right, I'm going to drop everybody. So that can't work like that. So you still move with the people who used to in the community, the classmates, them, everything. And then sometime now, it's not everybody in that group is happy for you.
Hey, talk the things.
Yeah. No. It's real. It's not everybody happy. If they're par. Forget about the whole of food you have to buy at the time, the whole of spending you have to do. You still have people in that group who is just not with you, are not happy for you.
Yeah, I was telling Jody a story that I met. He's a huge artist, and the first time I met him, I was actually at a show, and I saw him come to the gate with about 10, 15 people, and say everybody must come in free. And then the people running the gate never too like it. It was a little argument out of the gate, and they came in free. And I kind of said to him, first I was meeting him, big artist, and I said, I never like that, man. You're a big artist and look at youth, them I try to earn money, man. You should pay for the youth. And him kind of look at me like that. And he actually went back. I don't know if he pay for everybody, but he actually went back, took some money out, and he did pay for some of them. And that's an issue with me. So, you come and somebody dance, me and Simone have a party, we are trying to earn some money, and you come with 25 people and say, everybody must come in free because you are performing. I didn't like how it looked. But to be fair to the artist, he actually went back and took out some money and he paid. So that part of it I don't like. But if you did have an entourage, how much people supposed to be in the entourage? Because some people have all 30 men around them.
No, well, if you can afford it,
So that's what I want to get into, because you touch the budget business, and people don't think about that, and take the money, just move with you and protect you. But it's like the money you pay, Rasta.
Of course, yeah. And me so kind again, me couldn't know so me I go buy food and leave out some people and buy for some. No, me I buy for everybody.
Outside of food, what else your entourage entitled?
Well, it go, the liquor, the everything that everybody like to do on an everyday basis. It's going to be every day.
It's a floss day in,
floss
day
day,
out.
all of the liquor them have in the car trunk, I would go everywhere. Everything up to this there. So you have this enormous bill. Yeah? And you can do it in about, I think, not occasionally. Occasionally.
Yeah, not all the time.
Yeah, not all the time.
Do they protect you?
Yeah, in a sense, I don't have anything against Entourage. I think the genuine persons who's around you, them looking out for you, the real ones. So when you turn your back, so, you know, them call you, watch your head back. Yeah? And, you know, it's like them just, it make you feel safe and feel better in a sense. So I don't have no problem with Entourage. I just know that I move how I move, and I learned this from way back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. All right, that not gonna change then, you know, cause the man I did this long time.
Yeah.
Been doing it, he ain't gonna change.
No.
Tell us what else is going on with you.
Well, my new EP, Island Hopping, is out today. 4 songs. The song Island Hopping, the video will be out, I think, later on or tomorrow. So, yeah.
What kind of feel is Island Hopping? I saw an article the other day you're talking about the music and the fusion and how it's changing. And
So with my song, Island Hopping, it's just a nice vibe. I'm singing about the islands. It's not one island, but every island can relate to it. Just talking about come to my island.
Is dancehall, is
yeah,
fusion?
Yeah, it's a reggaeton. The rhythm was built by a young upcoming youth. Some similar to reggaeton.
Okay.
So yeah, and that's just me doing my thing. First time I heard the rhythm, that idea just boom, and I just work with it.
Are you going to do it for us, right?
Yeah, I'm going to do it.
Yeah, so we're going to go for a break, and then when we come back, we will hear from
Island Hop.
Island Hopping.
Where go? Which island we go?
We're sticking.
Yeah, I could stay right here. That me settle.
All right. Going to go for a break, and then we come back, we will hear from General Degree. Stay with us, please.